Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and if any children are watching, this will be part one of the Great Wall of Taiwan that I've coined it, but this is the gate. It has been referred to, or the Taiwan Wall, but I call it the Great Taiwan Wall. Now there's some interesting history about this. It was built in the late 18th century, around about 1879, and there's some interesting history about this wall. Now it has been rebuilt over time due to when the Japanese come and invaded, but also it's had termite infestation, and also they did remove sections of it to build roads. So we'll go for a walk. I've already filmed this once before, but there was too much wind noise because we are in like sort of what they call typhoon season, so there is a lot of wind about. So what we'll do is we'll try our best, and if the wind fails again, I'll just do a voiceover over the stuff I did yesterday. So we'll go for a walk up here. It is a beautiful wall, and up here they do have a section of the original wall encased in glass or perspex. So we'll go for a walk up on that section very shortly, and it looks like a gentleman's doing some kung fu there or some type of exercise. But I came here a couple of times now, and it's such a beautiful sight that I want to just get it right and have a look at that beautiful view there. Absolutely amazing. And there's beautiful smells on the streets as well. So I dare say that this is where they would have had people standing to keep guard of this city. So I have looked up a bit of the history, but it is a bit vague with the translation, but really beautiful. And we'll just come up to this area here where a part of the original construction is, which is encased in glass. Yes, very interesting. We'll just get the camera in there and we'll have a look. Really beautiful. And they have done a fantastic job remodeling it. Like they've used like the same style of brick there as well, so that's really good. And this is the remodeled. It has been, like, they started remodeling this in 1979 and also 1986 or 89, I believe. But it goes up there, and there's another section there. I'll try and do another part on that, but we're going to try and do redo part one and part two, and then we'll skip part three and we'll make part four. We could get a part six out of this, because I do want to go and film over on the other side. And there is a lovely gatehouse. Like, I did do a live stream from around here, but I was not aware that I could get on top of this beautiful structure. So we'll go for a walk. There is a bit of wind, so I do apologise for that wind sound. I do wish I had my Rode wireless again, but absolutely beautiful views there. And the beautiful smells of the street with food cooking at this time, because it is before 7 AM. I was contemplating doing a live stream on this, but it is a bit too windy for the microphone I do have on the live phone. Alright, so we'll wrap this section up, and please join me for part two on this section. Uru for now.